the mother-son cycle and the controlling cycle both function as part of the deep energy circulation, which means yung polarity ng energy remains the same as it is from where it starts, no matter where it flows to. This means that if the kidney yin was in excess, it has the possibility to flow to the urinary bladder, which is coupled yang organ, to the liver, which is the sun yin organ, and to the small intestine and triple warmer organ, the two yang organs controlled by the kidneys, okay? Whichever organ this excess yin flows into, it will remain as yin and increase the yin energy of these organs as well. This is necessary as it is only possible to control yang with yin and vice versa. If kidney yin flows into the fire element and changes to yang, then it cannot control the fire. It needs to retain its polarity in order to carry out its control function, okay? There is a note here, a word of caution. When using the mother points as tonification point, it is important not to forget that these points tonify both yin and yang energies, even though they co-tonify more of the house energy or the yin energy for yin organ and yang energy for yang organ, okay? This may sometimes cause certain problems. For example, in a patient who has dry eyes with a tendency to conjunctivitis, or a patient with chronic insomnia who can be quite anxious and excitable, okay? Remember po, yung note. So, the following explanation of the function of controlling cycle is very exact and technical. Please take some time to understand it, as it will be very useful for energy balancing. So, explanation po dito po sa susunod na slide. Okay? We have representation of both fire and water in the body. Yung fire element has its yin and yang organs, and it is the yang organ that more represents the fire. And the water element has its yin and yang organs as well. And it is the yin organ that more represents the water than the yang organ. So, when we say that water controls fire, we mean that the kidney controls the small intestine and the triple warmer. This also means that there should be an energy flow between the kidney and the small intestine and the triple warmer, okay? The kidney has its yin and yang. The yin represents the water, whereas the yang represents the movement of water. The small intestine has its yin and yang. Yang represents the fire, while the yin represents the core or the substance that makes the fire. When kidney yin is deficient, there is less water available to flow to the fire, especially to the small intestine. This can cause chronic heat symptoms in the small intestine, sorry, such as colicky pains, yung mga symptoms yan, colicky pains with winds, urgency to defecate, or pain following consumption of coffee or alcohol. It can also cause symptoms of heart yang excess, katulad sa mga hyperactivity ng mga bata, menopausal hot flashes sa mga babae, insomnia and tachycardia, and etc. So, the treatment is to balance the fire with hard fire. Yun yung low connecting point. And SI4 sedation, yung U1 source point. And to tonify kidney yin with kidney 7 and water by avoiding also caffeine, mga coffee or tea, and diuretic drinks. Yan po.